Hello everybody, this is Arun. Welcome to Mobile Tricks. In this video, I am going to explain you about an amazing feature which is available in every Huawei device. But most of us are not aware about this feature. So it's called the Smart Diagnosis. To navigate into the feature, you have to open the My Huawei application. So in most of the old devices, it will be called support. There will be a application called support in Huawei devices, which you have to open and you will find this screen. So inside, just click on more, and when you touch on more, a lot of options come in. Here is the Smart Diagnosis. Most of us, when we find a difficulty or when our phone is malfunctioning, we rush to the service center to check our phone. But in Huawei, it is not necessary. Initially, you can click Smart Diagnosis, and when you click on Smart Diagnosis, it is selected on auto. So automatically, the diagnosis is done for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other sensors. Suppose if you want to do a manual diagnosis, just touch on manual and a lot of options appear here. So say you were facing an issue with your microphone when you are on a call. So just you can touch on the microphone to test it. Now to start the test, you have to touch on the icon.
For police, dial 110. To report a fire, dial 119. For an ambulance, dial 120.
Thus you can check with other functionalities also. So now my microphone is normal. So if there is an issue, you can check each and every hardware in your phone and you can just check whether it is working normally or it is having an issue. So before rushing to your service center, you can just check whether there is a problem with the hardware or maybe your application may not be functioning, and you can try to do a home diagnosis right away. So this is a very good option available in Huawei devices, which saves a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more tricks and